Hello everyone, it's Linka Brady here with Mobile Solutions. So today we will go over loyalty features, digital loyalty features, and I will show you specifically how one of my clients was able to generate $8,000 in just 2 months of implementation of this specific reward. And let me also tell you that her average sale is $25. Okay, so let's get into it. What you see in front of you is a dashboard of her community app, and I clicked on the loyalty feature that we're utilizing, and that's the feature that is really driving the most repeat business and really helping her to connect with her community and grow her community. This particular client, she has 3 different locations. She has a gift shop right here at Orlando Health Central Hospital. She has a gift shop at a retirement center, and she also has a floor, it's a florist, right, in Ocoee, Florida. So we have, that's why you see on the right hand side right here, you see that we have several loyalty features that we implemented to make sure that we cater to each audience, right, to each location. But the specific reward that I like to focus on that generated those $8,000 in just 2 months, is this one right here, the gift shop loyalty card. The gift shop VIP club. We do have 2 loyalty features for their particular gift shop, but the one that I'll focus on is the gift shop right here, the VIP club. So when I click on it, what I would like to explain to you is that at a hospital, your target audience is nurses and doctors, right? And a lot of them go to gift shops to pick up soda or chips or cookies or whatever, something small. So for that audience, we have a punch card that is minimum purchase is $10. For the VIP club that actually generated those $8,000 in 2 months, the minimum purchase is $25. And the minimum purchase are like the little gifts, you know, the jewelry and the little like candles, little tokens, you know, that people buy and maybe even bring to their favorite patients and or whatever it may be. But anyway, so right here, if you actually read it, you will see that typical purchase is $25 or more. Get 10 stamps and receive a $25 gift card. This reward right there and our communication strategy and integration with social media generated $8,000 in sales in just 2 months. And I will show you exactly under user activity. When you click on it, open it up, this is real data. This is you guys, me logged in to the dashboard. I will not be opening the information because it does contain personal information, but I will show you that the gift shop loyalty card, already 92 times. It's been used already 92 times. So if you think about it, 92 purchases, minimum of $25. 92 purchases. Can you imagine? If you think about your store, how much is your minimum purchase? It can be definitely, some of you, more than $25. Can you imagine times 90? How much this can mean for your business, your bottom line? And that's only one benefit, right? So 92 times 25, it actually, when I populated all the numbers, it was slightly a little bit less, but it came almost to $8,000 in just 2 months because we started this reward on June 17th and we pulled all the data on September 5th. But if you go into the analytics of this whole thing, you will be able to see 6/17, 9/10, that's as of today. You will be able to see how many times this particular feature of their community app was clicked on. 327 times on Android devices and 183 times on Apple devices. That's just people being interested as to what this reward is all about, right? I'm not sure if you have any rewards in place, if you are using paper punch cards or how you're populating all of your data. But this clearly tells us that the loyalty feature is incredibly powerful and very, very successful. Here on this graph, you see when people were actually clicking on this particular feature within the app, and I can guarantee you that it is tied to push notifications, and that is connected to the communication strategy that goes along with the loyalty features, right? And if we click on push notifications right here, just to show you some data, again, I cannot go into too many specifics, but right here you will see when my client is sending her push notes and how basically she's announcing some of the new handbags are here, right? How you enjoyed your recent visit, half off, gift shop flash sale. I cannot even tell you how powerful all of this is. You can actually set it up, send it automatically. So there's a whole 9 yards that go along with the push notifications. But the bottom line is to really show you that digital rewards work. And the best thing about this is that you can track how effective you are, and you can really add on your return on investment. You can calculate how much money you're generating with your mobile device, with your community app. And then of course the fact that you now have the ability to really communicate with your audience and share some super awesome information with them so they feel rewarded, they feel motivated, inspired. And all of that without the noise of social media, without the noise of life and everything else, because it's just you and your customers and their phone, right? Because push notes go directly to the phone. So I will have just so you guys know, webinar coming up on September 25th. I will be showing and teaching you everything you need to know about setting everything up, from pre-launch strategy, during and post-launch strategy, everything that we did that worked so well for this gift shop, so that from the moment they implemented the loyalty reward, they were able to get extra $8,000 in the door in just 2 months. Go to click below. You will see in the description a link for the webinar. Sign up. It's free, but the space is limited, so don't wait, don't procrastinate. Reserve your seat. And if you can't attend, I will send you the recording as long as you have it, so you can actually see how we went about developing it, implementing, executing, and then certainly working with it for the following 2 months of implementation, so that we would see this incredible $8,000 in just 2 months. My head, I'm just so excited. All right, if you have any questions, comment below. Subscribe to my channel. I will be sharing all these additional details on week. I am sharing details about mobile marketing, community apps every single week. So make sure that you become a part of my community as well. I'd love to share more information with you and help you be more successful. Hope this was helpful. And my name is Linka Brady with Mobile Solutions, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.